Hello, I'm going to share a Thai-style clam recipe which uses aromatic herbs typically used in Thai cuisine. The naturally sweet-tasting clams are cooked lightly so that they are also aromatic, sour, spicy, all at the same time. Stir up the sauce to enjoy all the goodness. Here are the ingredients. Adjust the amount of chili to your preference. Use bird's eye chilies if you can tolerate heat very well. Proper degreasing and cleaning of the clams is important as it can make or break a dish. First, rinse the clams. Transfer to another container. Fill enough water to cover the clams. Add in salt. Put into the fridge for at least 1 hour for the clams to purge out impurities and sand. Pour away the water after removing from the fridge. Fill a container with water. Scrub and clean each clam and place it into clean water. Look how dirty the water is. Let it sit for another 1 hour. Scoop the clams out and place into another container. Do not pour as you will be pouring the impurities over as well. Give it a final rinse. And you are done. Let's start cutting the ingredients. Remove the hard bulbs at the bottom of the lemongrass stalks. Peel off the tough outer layers. We only want the tender parts. Start cutting thinly from the lower part of the stalk. Stop when the purple rings in the lemongrass disappear. It should be about 1/3 from the bottom. Peel and mince garlic finely. Remove tiny hairs from the coriander roots and cut into lengths of 2 cm. Keep the leafy parts separate for garnishing later. Remove the skin of the galangal root and cut into thin shreds. Cut and remove the seeds of the chili. Cut into thin shreds. Remove the leaf stalks of the cover leaves. Bruise or tear the leaves. Add some oil of your choice into a pan. Heat up oil and add in the garlic. Stir fry till fragrant. Add in the coriander root and galangal root. Next, add in lemongrass. And then chilies. Fry till there is some slight browning of the lemongrass. Add in the kaffir leaves. Stir fry for a minute. Add in the clams. Followed by some fish sauce. Finally, add in the lime juice. Cover with lid and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes in high heat. Look at this, it's smelling delicious. The clams are now cooked. Their succulent meat are revealed and ready to be eaten. Garnish with coriander if you like. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. To receive notifications for more creative and simple home-cooked food, please subscribe to my channel.